बारिश हो रही है और अब्बास साहब के पंगे अभी भी खत्म नहीं हो रहे. Let's go.
Oh, we're going above us.
Let's go.
You're been sitting home. Mommy, I'm holding this one. No, we missed it.
Don't run.
That's your part in it.
You don't need to run. Abbas, look. Hussein.
It's getting so dark, Abbas.
Yeah, come.
You know why it's raining?
Yes.
Because we take for a long time. It's
Yeah.
raining because we take for a long time.
Come.
I hate the rain. No. I hate the rain. Yes. No.
Abbas, come here. Come here.
Like that.
Run.
Then, come on, Abbas.
Run.
No. Stop.
Stay on the left side, okay?
Stop. No.
Abbas, stop. Don't go to the road. Hussein! Don't. What are you doing? Hussein!
I'm telling him stop going. Run.
What are you telling him?
No. Don't tell him to run.
It's really cold. Because they said
You
कि
run.
बर्फबारी
Otherwise,
होने
then
वाली
you're
है.
gonna get cold.
ठीक है? और ये
That's
देखो.
what. The
Hussein.
rain got in my eyes.
But don't tell him anything, please.
I told you not to run.
Okay then, come. Come.
No running, remember.
That's it.
No running. You're stepping in the rain. I'm stepping in the rain.
Abbas, come here.
Stepping in the rain.
Abbas, come.
Where should we go?
Run faster and then left.
No,
Run
Daddy,
faster.
no. If we run, then the rain will go in our eye.
No, come.
running.
Look.
Abba, no running.
Look.
In it. I said go faster.
Faster. Here. Stay here.
Where?
Oh, you are wet. Your jackets are wet.
Oh, shit.
Come here.
Oh, shit.
Don't touch anything.
Oh, okay.
You have to stay here and wait for mommy.
It's so slippery here.
Hmm?
The rain made it slip.
Yes. Abbas, are you okay?
Abba,
Abbas, are you okay?
don't run.
Abbas, you fine?
Okay, let's go with Mommy's here.
Okay. Let's go then.
Walk on me. Walk.
Come here.
No running, Daddy. No. I hate the rain. Yeah, but why did he leave my hand? No, Abbas, I'm going to make you sick. Don't run.
Abbas, don't run, please.
Don't run. But Daddy, you're running.
No, I'm not running because I want to make you. Stop here.
It's
Stop
raining
here. Son, stay back.
It's raining. It rained over there.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's raining in our
लॉकडाउन हो चुका है 10 बजे से ही और
Yeah.
कोई हम्म?
Because you're running.
Sorry?
That's because of you. Because I saw you running.
Okay then.
Like this, how you do it. Daddy, run like this. You're not running now. You run like this. And you run this Don't run. Daddy, don't go in the road. And watch
Abbas?
out. Watch out. That's bike coming down the bike and car. Wait for mommy. Daddy. Wait for mommy.
She's coming.
Never ever run. No, Daddy, just wait for mommy.
And stay here.
Okay. Abbas, come on, let's stay here.
And don't speak when you go to the building. Don't speak. Okay?
Why is this locked?
Abbas, are you happy with the rain?
No. No, we're not because the rain is ugly.
Rain is ugly? No, rain is beautiful.
I told you you have to get an umbrella. Mummy,
Huh.
your jacket's wet too. No running.
Because your dad loves. Oi, no. Bas. Oh, don't fight. Don't fight, you are
Mommy,
fight.
no running.
Don't fight. Hussein? Hussein? Oi, don't. I told you. I told you.
I told you you'd fall like that.
Oi,
No running. You.
Chabi.
Nah. I want to stand here.
Don't speak. Everyone is sleeping in the building. Come here. Let's go. Boss. Dog is coming. Doggy. Hussein, come. Shh. Dog is coming. Shh.